In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make the most of the powerful notes functions inside of SINC. Notes can either be added to a shift by an employee, an admin, or they are generated automatically if something important about the shift has changed. You can see here, my employee Larry is currently clocked into a shift. He wants to leave a note that he has finished installing all of the safety fencing and signs around a new job site. He simply taps on Add a Note, inputs all the details of the note into the text field, and if he wants to, he can add an image. Please note, he may have to initially give SINC the permissions it needs to access his photos and camera in order to add photos to notes. He will be asked to do this at the same time. If I switch back to my own device, you will see I am notified about the note inside of the admin area. I can tap on the arrow next to the note and I am taken to the shift details relating to this note. The notes work in the same way as the shifts do. I can filter them by pay period and also by either all employees or one particular employee. If I go ahead and select Larry and the current pay period, I will see that all the notes left by Larry during that pay period show up in the Notes tab. If I want to see notes from all my staff, I simply select All Employees. At the end of a pay period, I can go ahead and generate a report. This report is not just useful for payroll purposes. You will see here next to each individual shift, we have the details of any notes associated with that particular shift. Images are given in a short link, and if I go ahead and follow that link, I am taken to the image location inside of my browser, where I can download it if I wish. There is also a Notes tab inside of the report, showing every note that was left or generated for every employee during this pay period. That brings us to the end of another tutorial. Make sure to also check out the SINC web console. It features the same functionality as the mobile app, but with the convenience of being able to access your data on a larger screen. The web console can be found by visiting users.sinc.business and logging in with the same credentials you do for the mobile app. We hope you have found this tutorial informative, and we look forward to seeing you in the next one.